Welcome to game 2 of the NAZ Blitzball season. This is the Hurricanes at the Wizards. The Wizards today have Nick and Mason. Hi. And the Hurricanes today have Jude and left-handed Will. Today's keys to the game for both teams are going to be throwing strikes and accuracy. I will walk him. Pitch from Mason. Oh, inside, and that is a ground ball foul. Oh, grounded off of the batter. Full count, payoff pitch. Oh, super close, walks him though. That's runners on first and second. Oh, that's too high and far, and that's gonna be easily gone. 3-run homer for Jude Shaw. 3-1 from Mason. Oh, grounded foul. A pitch. Oh, that is a foul ball. Oh, strike 3. What a nasty slider. Oh, right down the middle, fouled off. Oh, that's up and foul. Oh, dirty slider there for Mason to get to the next inning. And the Hurricanes lead 3-0. 3 out of Mason. Knuckleball. Oh, swung on. Oh, that's grounded. Is that foul? Foul ball. Lob from Jude. Strike 3! Oh, grounder! Pick that up. He's out! He's out. Oh, swing and a miss. Oh, grounded foul. Will's hit 900 balls over there today. 2. Pitch from Mason. Oh, that's hit high! That is not gone. Oh, it stops at second as that is a double for Will. Another pitch from Mason. Oh, swung and missed. Great pitch there. Oh, that's hit, and that is definitely gone. Another take for Jude, his second of the game and second of the year. Oh, swung on. Oh, nasty sinker. We got 4-2 here. Oh, strike 3 and Will is out of here. Oh, that's strike. Good pitch, but sinks below the zone, and that's another walk. Nick to Will. He went. That's strike 1. Pitch from Nick. Oh, that's on the ground, and that's gonna get through. Jude's rounding, so he fell. Tag him out. And Will is out between the bases, and that will end the inning. Pitch from Jude, and that's ball 6. Pitch from Jude. Curveball fouled off by Nick. Strike 1 on this nice little slider there. The 1 pitch. Oh, great pitch there. Oh, that's fair ball. Driven. Nick's rounding second. Mason's rounding first. The ball is getting thrown in, and they are both safe. Double by Mason. Gets the runner to third. Hey. Oh, that's fair ball. Single to the right side, and that's gonna be a single scoring a run. Lob ball. Miss. Lob pitch. Missed. The bases are loaded with 1 out. Ball. 5-0 here. Another lob ball. That one's high. Oh, it's hit. Straight to Will, and the force is applied. That's a great play there from Will. And we go to the top of the third, 5-3. Oh, that's grounded to the right side of the field, and that's going to get through. Jude's rounding for second, and he'll be safe. Oh! That's a walk. Pitch from Nick. Oh, swung on by Jude. Happy little swinger there. Oh, swung on. Good little two-seamer. Pitch from Nick. Curve. Fouled on. Oh, up, and that's the first out of the inning. Oh, that's hit high and foul. Oh, great little two-seam there. Heater up, and that strikes him out. No runs come in, even with the extra base hit at the beginning of the inning. They will leave 2 on. 5-3 here again. Oh, that is the closest pitch we've ever had to not being close. And that's ball. The tying run is at the plate. That is hit high, and that's fair ball. And drop by Jude. Mason is safe at second. Ball. That's high. Jude gets the ball, and there's a force out. Runner is a force out at home. Oh, that's on the ground. And he catches his foul ball. Spot. That is hit. That is also foul. The Wizards.
You know, I wasn't pitching really well, you know, just lobbing it in there. I worked today, but we gotta get my stuff down, you know?